Hello and welcome to this new episode of KNXUltimate Node. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect the kBerry from Vinyl interface to KNXUltimate via a standard pinout. We will connect our PC directly to the KNX bus via TP serial connection. Let's start. For this purpose, we need a simple interface USB to serial connection. Make sure to use 3.3 volt device. Connect the wire to this pinout and connect it to the interface. Connect each pin of the kBerry device to the USB serial converter. On the GitHub page of KNXUltimate, you'll find the configuration page in the sample. Connect your kBerry interface to your KNX bus. Open your KNX project, drag a KNX device and open it. Click Add New KNXUltimate Configuration. From the gateway list, select your serial device where your kBerry is connected to. In my case, this is USB to UART serial. Select here in the mode kBerry, because we are using kBerry, otherwise we'll select FT1.2. In my case, I have also a KNX secure installation, so I need to add my KNX keyring file and password. In my case, I will use the 1/1/1 address, and this is a switch to switch on and off a light. Click done, click deploy, confirm. Wait for the node to connect. Connect on duty. You hear the click and you see the light coming on and off. Well, we are done. Thank you for watching this episode and see you next time. Bye bye!
Supervibe nel silenzio della rete nasce un'idea invisibile e concreta, codice luce in sintonia perfetta, con Max come guida la barriera si spezza.